big, small.
The elephant is big. The mouse is small.
Hot, cold.
The soup is hot. The ice cream is cold.
Fast, slow.
The cheetah is fast. The turtle is slow.
Happy, sad.
The girl is happy. The boy is sad.
Up, down.
The balloon goes up. The rock falls down.
Full, empty.
The glass is full of water. The bottle is empty.
Tall, short.
The giraffe is tall. The rabbit is short.
Open, closed.
The door is open. The window is closed.
Clean, dirty.
The shirt is clean. The shoes are dirty.
Near, far.
The park is near to our house. The mountains are far away.
Old, new.
The car is old. The bike is new.
Rich, poor.
The man is rich. The beggar is poor.
Strong, weak.
The superhero is strong. The kitten is weak.
Wet, dry.
The towel is wet. The paper is dry.
Soft, hard.
The pillow is soft. The rock is hard.
Young, old.
The baby is young. The grandfather is old.
Early, late.
She arrived early to the party. He came late to the meeting.
Happy, angry.
The clown makes everyone happy. The referee looked angry.
Noisy, quiet.
The classroom was noisy. The library is quiet.
Deep, shallow.
The ocean is deep. The puddle is shallow.
Heavy, light.
The suitcase is heavy. The balloon is light.
Safe, dangerous.
The playground is safe. The jungle is dangerous.
Thick, thin.
The book is thick. The magazine is thin.
Bright, dark.
It is bright during the day. It is dark at night.
Heavy, light.
The boulder is heavy. The feather is light.